If you're watching this video, the assumption is that you might be facing some challenges when it comes to project management and engineering, specifically for Primavera P6 Professional. If that's the case, in this series, we will sort you out completely. The first question might be, how do I get this Primavera P6 software? Well, the answer is simple. You just simply jump into your browser, and in this case, I'm using Google Chrome. This is my choice, but feel free to use any other of your choice. And I'll search for eDelivery Oracle. So it's important to input Oracle. From the first result, which is https edelivery.oracle.com, if you select on this option, you're going to be redirected to the main Oracle website. So this is simply how it looks like, where you'll be prompted either to sign in if you already have a user account or to create an account. And if you have forgotten your user or your password, you can just simply click on this. And if you want to get your introductory tour, you can just start your tour from here. For my case, I already have an account, so this is where I will first go. But for your case, you can just simply jump to this specific page, input your email address, passwords, and everything of your choice, inclusive of the country where you are downloading from or where you're going to be using this specific software from. After you have done that and you have been confirmed, the next thing will be to sign in to the Oracle Software Delivery Cloud. And over here, all that you ought to do is to search for Primavera P6 Professional, because there are so many items under the Primavera, and you're going to select the first option. So there is either the download package or the release. So for our case, we can either just go with the release. So you just simply click on this drop down, select on release, and then it's going to filter through the list by clicking on search. So where we have REL is where we have the release. Just simply select on the Primavera of your choice. So for our case, we want to go with the 24.12.000. So I'll just simply select on this option once. It's going to be added to the cart here. Then all that you ought to do is to navigate to this area, click on continue to the next page where is to check out. You select your download language. For our case, it's Microsoft Windows x64 bits, and then the size is as that, and the publish date you can clearly see there. Then you just simply click on continue. You read through the terms and conditions that are given from Oracle. If you're satisfied, you just simply say that you're satisfied, then simply click on continue, and you will be taken to this download page. You just simply review the items that will be downloaded. So we have the main application. So this is application. Then we have the integration API. So this simplifies the integrating of Primavera P6 with other softwares. And then we have the database setup, which is key to set up your database. After you've checked all of them, you just simply click on download, and the download package file will be downloaded. So it won't download one by one, but it will download a package file that will assist in the download option. So for my case, because I already have it installed, I'll just simply show you how it's going to look like after you've already downloaded it. So for our case, we have the P6 here. I'll just simply click on it once to run it, and this will be the introduction window where we have P6, then P6 Professional 24 version. For my case, we have the login name. It can vary in accordance to the user who's using it, then the password area, then the advanced options where we have the database, then the language, and then you can edit your configuration. So in the next video, I want to show you how you set up your database for a standalone. Having said that, it's important you subscribe to get the latest and most recent YouTube video that I'll be uploading, if possible, every single week, so that you can be able to learn how to use the Primavera P6 software as a professional.